June 2 and this one is June 23, today's date. So this picture is captured from the satellite on today's date today, and this one is from June 2. This one is before flooding and this one is after flooding. So we can see the differences, yeah, how much flood has changes the way of the river, and how much mud or the water has been accumulated. And we can see the things here. You see, like, the river is so small here, um, but at the later, when the flood was there, the all the water overflows. Okay, so this one, this planet.com could be helpful for you for the assessment of flooding or some applications. Okay, yeah, we can see in this region where there is some houses. Okay, and we can see like the water was just in this region before, but when the flood was happened, it comes up to here. So it has damaged a lot of things over here. You can see it directly from this. There was a road here, you see, but when the flood happened, it was like flooded. It's filled with water. So this could be helpful for us, for the decision maker, to see the assessment of flooding. Yeah.